Joy! Hi everybody! Today I have this Shopkins airplane.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, and I also have these Shopkins to go in there.
And Chelsea, what's she doing?
She's waving. Hi!
Hi, Chelsea. Are you gonna take the plane?
Yeah, and she's also gonna take her suitcases. Well, it's pretty windy.
It's windy outside. The plane will fly very well.
Yeah. Okay, let's open it.
Oh, you can open it like that inside.
Yeah, and also here, we can put the food on here, and somebody can serve. Chelsea can do. It's a little mini car.
So everybody go on board. The
Okay.
plane wants to leave.
Chelsea's gonna stay right over here, and she's gonna look right there. Actually, hi. She's gonna look at you.
Are you comfy?
Yes. And
job.
the passenger is gonna be right over there.
Who's that? The pilot?
Yeah, it's driving the plane. Let's see.
Hey, pilot.
Hi. Okay, and we also put her suitcases right in
Oh, that's a
this.
storage box.
Yeah, put her suitcases right in there.
Is it closing?
I think we need to put it like this.
There we go.
Close. Okay, and let's put this in, but we can't forget the foods. Okay, where should we put the foods? Foods can stay right over here.
No, because that's going to be closing. They're all going to fall.
Okay, well, let's put the foods right down there.
Well, who's going to be sitting on that chair?
More Shopkins. And there's also cookies for Chelsea.
Oh, she has to eat first.
Yeah, let's put them right over there. And get cheeky cherries, cheekies. Let's put cheeky cherries.
They can sit comfortably in that chair.
Yeah, well, oh, she can sit right there, next to there.
Next to the captain.
Yeah, and they also have like a hole to hold them a bit. Okay, all done. Everybody's in. Time to take off.
Let's close it.
And close the stairs.
Ooh, such a nice airplane.
Okay, we're taking off. Well, they're in the sky.
Hey, we're having fun in this airplane.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Time to land. There we go. Everybody like the ride?
Yes.
Yay.
Whoa.
Everybody's everywhere.
Yeah, and look at she ate all of her food.
Yeah, Chelsea ate all of her food.
Yeah, good girl.
Everybody take your luggages.
Okay. And that's all of the Shopkins, and this is Chelsea. Okay. Get ready to go home, Chelsea.
Hey, Chelsea, did you have a nice flight?
Yes, I'm going to the ocean now.
Yay, you're going on vacation. I like your suitcase.
Thank you.
And all the Shopkins are climbing down now.
Yeah, and they're leaving. Goodbye.
The captain says bye to them.
Yeah, and
Where do they
they're
go?
in the shopping car, and they're gonna leave home. Wee. Let's put all the Shopkins in there.
Everybody goes home.
Yeah, and they can press the button to home. Every Shopkin can press. Okay, let's go home. Woo!
Bye, Shopkins.
Bye.
Okay, Chelsea, have fun on vacation.
Okay, bye, airplane.
Bye. I'm going somewhere else now.
Okay, bye.
Enjoy your ride.
Bye. For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.